guys, wow, I have not done a full-blown makeup tutorial in a minute, and I thought it was a perfect time considering we just launched our Shades by Shan Makeup by Yaya collection. We came out with this beautiful 12-pan eyeshadow palette. We're calling this the money-making palette because we rated Makeup by Yaya's makeup kit is like all the colors you will ever need. We put a few transition shades in there as well because we know those are the ones that hit pan first. So we carefully and distinctively really truly picked out each and every shade for maximum potential. So this is $46, and we're also came out with a lip trio, which is $36, and it comes with a medium brown retractable liner. It comes with a matte liquid lipstick and a gloss. And I just want to remind everyone that 25% of your purchase of this collection will go to the MamaBerries Nonprofit Foundation to help single parents in need. Especially the climate we're in with the pandemic and everything, we think this is like the perfect time to have launched. So yes, a quarter of the proceeds from this collection is going to the MamaBerries Nonprofit Foundation. So you're making a difference, you're doing a little something nice for yourself, but you're also helping out the community at this time. And if you know a single parent in your life, if you know a coworker or your best friend, be anyone that you know that is an exemplary single parent mom or dad, you can actually nominate them on our website at SBSxCosmetics.com. And for Mother's Day, we're going to be awarding 3 single parents some monetary donations, the MamaBerries Award. So we really want to help some people, so please nominate and tell us their story. All right, without further ado, let's get started. So I am just going to prime my eyes. Of course, I'm using my quarantine concealer, right? e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is $6, you guys. I'm actually not going to set. I'm just going to go straight in with our eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade. Let's go in with Mommy first and then Dreamer. So with a fluffy crease brush, and of course you guys know that I love to kind of drag it out underneath my eyebrow just to create that elongated eye look because I have really small beady eyes. All right, and now that we have Mommy in our crease, I'm just going to continue to build out the crease with this beige, like it's more of like a browner tan. And with the same fluffy brush, I'm just gonna pack on into the crease as well. I'm going to take this e.l.f. Cosmetics brush. I think it was like $2 or $3. This beautiful terracotta brick color called Self-Made right here. And I'm just going to start packing this onto the outer corner of my eye, kind of in that V shape. And when you're doing makeup, it's okay. It's going to look messy, but I swear, just trust the process. So with my fluffy brush, I'm just going to buff out any harsh lines. So now I'm going to take this, I think this is my favorite color in the palette, Conceited, this really pretty like raspberry red color. At first, I was kind of, apprehensive because I'm more of like the natural, everyday, or like glam at night kind of girl. So when we were deciding on colors for this palette, I was like, yeah, are you sure about these 2 colors? And now those are my favorite colors in the palette, and I will show you why. So I'm just gonna kind of go right where we left off from the V, right in front of it. And I'm going to kind of do the same thing. So bring it up and then across. And you guys are gonna start to see kind of like a really pretty sunset effect on my eye. So with our fluffy brush, we're just going to buff out any harsh lines again. And now with that same brush, I'm gonna go into Girl Boss and start working our outer corner. Kind of like in the V shape, I'm bringing it kind of over my lashes and then just kind of packing it onto the outer corner. And again, just buffing out all the harsh lines. And you can always intensify the outer corner. You can even go in with Foxy, this black shade. But You guys know me, I'm more of like on the natural side. All right, and now, I think I'm going to go in with Wifey. I'm gonna go in with Wifey just on my lid, and then we're going to highlight the inner corner with Hex. How about that? Love this to highlight, you guys. Like, I just put a little bit, and as you can see, it already brightened up my eye. I like to kind of bring it up to open up the eye. Just a little bit underneath my eyebrow. Guys, so this is the biggest secret of all, I feel like. So we're just going to put a wash of leader all over the crease area, and you're gonna see why. It is gonna just complete this little sunset on our eyes, and it's just going to blow your minds away. Fluffy crease brush. I'm gonna go in with leader, and I'm just gonna wipe this over to just bring everything cohesively together. Just add warmth to the eye and make everything pop. Like, what? What? Yes. Now it looks like a tequila sunrise on our eyes. And that was so easy to do, right? So now I'm just going to wipe away my under eye. But here's my other trick. Instead of wasting a makeup wipe, because I know we're like quarantined right now, no one wants to waste a makeup wipe just to wipe off the under eye, right? So I'm gonna take your favorite moisturizer, because if you moisturize or primed, you don't want to take a makeup wipe to remove it, because then you're basically just removing all that beautiful moisturizer or primer that you use. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this moisturizer with a tissue, and I'm going to wipe off any excess with my tissue, and it's just gonna come off like that. And thanks to my girl Jess Calderon, who taught me that. It's just life-changing. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with my Dose of Color foundation. And I don't want to take it like too low, because I just got this cute little sweat outfit from American Eagle. So you see me walking around with a ring on my neck that is different colors, mind your business. But you won't, because I'm not leaving my house. So I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer. I'm bringing it right underneath my eye, and then kind of flicking it up to create that like lift. And I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty setting powder, and this is in the shade Pound Cake. Let's kind of do a little bit of the under eye. I love this look with a beautiful under eye that kind of like complements it. Or you could just wear this and just put on mascara and be done. Kind of do what we did on the top and just replicate that on the bottom. So let's go in with a little bit of Mommy and Dreamer, and I'm just going to go in at the same time with a little fluffy pencil brush. And I like to keep the setting powder on the bottom, so that way if there's any fallout, we can just wipe it away. Go in with Self Made. And of course, it wouldn't be the same without a little bit of leader. For my eyebrows, I use one product and one product only. It is the Berry Obsessed eyeshadow palette. Sorry, as you guys can see, I totally like use this product every single day. And I'm gonna use Whiskey, this brown shade at the bottom here, with a liner brush. With this brown, I'm just going to create hair-like strokes, starting kind of a quarter down my eyebrow, and just start flicking it towards the tail. I always just bring any excess down from what I have on the brush down to the front. Before we get into contour, I quickly just want to get into Foxy right here, this black shade, with another pencil liner brush. And I'm just going to create a little black liner, like a faux line, just to wing out my eye a little bit. And now let's go in with contour. I can't really tell you what contour I'm wearing because Well, you'll just read between the lines, right? And now let's go in with some mascara. Okay, you guys, you know how I said I didn't want to ruin my new tracksuit? Well, I just did. Let that dry and not touch it, and maybe it'll just flake. Show must go on. So I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. In the meantime, let's go in with Self-Made. I've been living for this blush color, you guys. It is so beautiful, and it brings just like the whole look together. I love it. And now for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with Hexed right here. This really pretty, oh, it's like an iridescent unicorn. And highlight our inner corner. Of course, I have to go in with my Makeup by Yaya eyelashes. I've been using these all during quarantine. I'm going to use my handy dandy duo glue. I'm gonna go in with our Shades by Shan Makeup by Yaya lip trio. I love, love, love this. So let's start out with lining our lips with the retractable lip liner. So you don't need a pencil sharpener, and I'm just gonna start underneath my lip to create that really sexy oversized pout. And then I'm gonna go above my Cupid's bow and connect them. You can even use our lip liners just like as a whole color on your lip. I'll actually just put it on so you guys can see what it looks like, because my sister like swears by just wearing the lip liner. Look how pretty that is. Just as the lip liner. You can totally wear this just by itself. And now I'm gonna go in with 1985. This is our matte liquid lipstick. And this has more of like a peachy tone to it, as you guys can see. And I just let that dry so I could show you what the matte looks like. And then we will go in and add a gloss. In the meantime, I'm just gonna go quickly do my hair real quick, and I will BRB. All right, you guys, almost done. I just need to add the gloss, the Yaya gloss from our lip trio, and we will be done. And I think why people love our glosses so much is that they are non-sticky. So as you can see, there's no residue, but you still have that super high gloss shine that everyone loves, but you're not gonna get that gunk, you're not gonna get that gooiness. It's just so hydrating, so moisturizing. Obsessed. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial with our brand new Shades by Shan Makeup by Yaya collection, which is out now, and it's available at SBSxCosmetics.com. And remember, 25% of this collection will go to help single parents in need through the MamaBerries Nonprofit Foundation. And you can also nominate single parents in your life. It could be a coworker, like I said, or a friend, whoever it is in your life that is an exemplary single parent that goes above and beyond for their children. We want to hear about them, so nominate them. Tell us their story. Also at SBScosmetics.com, we will be awarding 3 awards on Mother's Day. So get to it. Tell us everything. Make us cry. We have a committee of people sifting through nominations, so really tell us their story. Tell us why they deserve it, what they do, and just really speak to our hearts. Share Shades by Shan with everyone you love. Try us out. It's all paraben and cruelty free. So SBScosmetics.com to purchase your products, and we can't wait to see all your creations. Love you all so much, and bendiciones, muchísimas gracias. Les quiero mucho. Bye guys.